Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on the location and depends on when you see this video pops up on your channel. Okay, so today I want to talk about one particular question that people used to ask me when they see ads, advertisement pops up in while watching my video. Okay, and they know that in this channel that I'm not yet up to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so hopefully before the end of this week I will clock 1,000 subscribers and then get monetized. So but I will take you through my journey on this particular uh, channel because it's mainly meant for tutorials. So I'm practically taking myself through it, okay, so that I can be able to give you content and direct you and advise you on what to go or do and how to go about your channels. For the beginners, I'm talking about the beginners, and I wanted to give them my journey and tell them stories about how I get it done so that they cannot make mistake, because that's where I specialize on trying to take you on the right path so that I will not make mistake that I made or somebody else made. Okay, so we learn from the past. Okay, so I'm taking you through, I'm going through my processes, so that I will bring it out for you tomorrow to you know to teach you by experience. Okay, so people normally get wonders why I'm not up to, this page is not up to 1,000 subscribers yet. They see advertisement pops up in my video, so they were like testing me, asking me, are you monetized? How does this happen? Is it possible that you're not up to 1,000 subscribers and then adverts is popping up while watching your video? Because we all know that before if you see ad on every video, that means that that video is monetized, because as a YouTuber, you get paid of every advertisement that pops up on your video. In fact, you have every right to put the advertisement where you want it to be while watching your videos. Okay, so this got people amazed, so they were surprised. So they come up to ask me this question: why is it that ad is popping up on your video while watching it? And I'm pretty sure you might have come across it on so many people's channel, and maybe you might not have the opportunity to ask them, but I know that you'll be asking it within you. Okay, so I'm here to answer that simple question. But before then, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I drop my new video, and also give this video a thumbs up. And if this is the kind of content you like, please always stick around. And for the returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. So let's move on. Why adverts pops up in my video while watching it, despite the fact that I've not yet reached to 1,000 subscribers requirement. Okay, so, and you wonders why it happens. It's simple. Why it happens is because YouTube found my video interesting. They found my video interesting, despite the fact that I'm not being monetized. So they think maybe, you know, instead of allowing this video to waste and then wait till it gets up to requirement before we monetize it, I think this video is so interesting for us to live like that, and people waste watching it with that, seeing our own advert and patronize us. Since it's interesting and people are watching it, since it's getting more engagement, so why can't we just chip in our advertisement and also get from it and then wait for this guy until he gets to our requirement and then we'll monetize him? So this is just it. They found your content interesting. They see that it's getting more engagements. They see that people are watching those of your contents, okay, and they see that your channel is interesting, that people comes around, it's getting traffic, okay. So they can't wait for you to get monetized. They can't wait for you to read the requirement before they put on their, do their own business. So it will be a loss to them. So they thought it wise to include their business into your video. So it's a happy is something to be happy about, at least to be recognized. The day, you know, at least to be recognized by them. At least you are on a safe side. At least you know that yes, the management of this wonderful uh, platform has recognized my video. So you should be happy about it. You are getting engagement. Okay. Most people, my own start popping up when I was about 200 and something, subscribers. Right now, right now you're watching this video. Right now that I'm doing this video, I'm about, I'm about to hit 900. Okay. So 900 or about to hit 900. Okay. So for record purpose, today is, 14th, today is 13th of, June 2023. So I want us to, I want us to, study about a little bit about my channel growth, okay? Because it's between me and you, we are growing together. So I get you updated so that you not be left out. And as I am growing, I want this to grow with me, okay? So that time I was about 200 or 200 plus thereabout. So I started noticing that adverts is popping up on my video. I was very, very glad because before it doesn't happen like that. So this is a new development. So if ad is not popping up on your video, it shouldn't be said. But what I have to tell you is, make some engaging post, okay, discussable post, interesting post, on your niche. I wouldn't ask you to go to tutorials because I'm into it. No, but I would advise you, whatever you are doing, any niche you are, try to make it more engaging, try to make it more discussable, bring content, think, make inquiries, make research and come up with, a nice content, to post on your channel. And by so doing, they will recognize you and they will put the ad. And you know it can easily drive traffic and push the can as long as there's ads on your video, that means YouTube are interested on it and they're pushing it far. They're pushing it. They're the algorithm is really working for your good. Okay, so if you watch those videos that ads pops up, you know that the algorithm is pushing it far, and people are just take and analyze it, check the analytics, you see that people are really watching this video. Okay, so it means that you're on a safe side, you are dropping interesting content. Okay, so that is just it. Okay, always make an engaging content. YouTube watches, they know if you are gaining traffic, they know. So they recognize those people that gains traffic. If you're dropping content and nobody's watching it, and they can't push it because it simply shows that your content is not valid, like your content is not interesting. So they can't push it. They will just leave it there because this is you rub my shoulder, I rub your shoulder. Okay, you create a good content, you bring it to our platform, then we help you push it. Okay, if you drop content that is not engaging, you're on your own. Okay, so this is all about it. Okay, so whenever you see ads pops up on your video, be happy. Then when you read the criteria, you read the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of views, then they will bring you, they'll send you invitation, okay, for monetization, and then they will bring you closer, and then you get monetized. Okay, so and then you decide all those things. You place your ad whenever you want it, and you make money from it. Okay, so what you have to focus on: number one, focus on the time frame, 365 days, which is the time frame given to you to hit the 4,000 hours of views. Okay, I've dropped many videos about it. So maybe you check it out and you get more knowledge about this. Okay, so many people, like I used to tell you, many people used to get afraid when they didn't hit the, or when they're about to, their 365 days approaching and they were not able to hit that target, and they became mad. Some of them, dropped the channel out of anger. They think they are not worthy. They didn't try enough, so they left the channel and do other things, but never say never. Okay, so I believe those people doesn't have knowledge about what the YouTube criteria and rules are. They didn't say that after 365 days, if you didn't make up to uh, 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 if you didn't reach up to our criteria, that would terminate your channel. That isn't what they say. What it means is that you have to keep working. Okay, we needed you to get at least 4,000 hours of views within 365 days. And then for 1,000 subscribers, it doesn't have a limited time. Please, it doesn't have a limited time. People always ask me this question. That's the reason why I always repeat it on my video. It doesn't have a limited time for the subscribers. So instead of you to focus on the subscribing, please focus on the content. The content bring the subscribers, because if paint your, maybe you build a house and you bought a car, a damaged car, and you were able to paint it, decorate outside of it, and when people comes, they find out that the engine isn't working or the interior isn't good, they will leave. That's just the same thing with your own channel. Even if you make the picture or the thumbnail catchy, when the people comes and they see that, oh, your content is not worthy watching, it's not worthy sticking around, they will leave. Okay, so that's the reason why you have to focus on the content, because the content brings the subscribers. Okay, so, and not only bringing the subscribers, the content glued the subscribers to your channel. They can't let go, because they are gaining from you. They know that every content you bring is helps them. Okay, they know that you are giving them vibes that they love. If you are a lifestyle vlogger, they know that if you're a vlogger, they know that you are making them happy. You are teaching them, you are giving them updates. Okay, so they will stick around because they can't afford to miss your content. So that's the reason why I normally tell people, always focus on your content, and then when you do interesting content, drop interesting content, those contents will bring, YouTube will help push algorithm, YouTube algorithm will help push it to the audience, and then out there, then audience will now come and you know get engaged on your content, and then by so doing they subscribe. Just that's how I do. If I come to your channel, if I love what you do, I can't afford to miss it. I will subscribe. So if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and always give thumbs up, put the notification bell, so that I'll be the first to be notified each time you drop your content. Okay, so we are building communities. I'm building community with you. So, I try to bring you closer to me. I try to share the knowledge I have for you to help you also. As I'm growing, you would also grow with me. Okay, so uh, it's just a community that I try to build. And that's the reason why I always bring content that helps you. Okay, if you check other of my videos, I have content for Facebook. If you're a um, Facebook page owner, you can check some of my contents. I drop contents on how to grow your Facebook and how to, you see my Facebook page also there, so I'm on 20K, but it's not, that page is not up to 6 months. Okay, so I'm a professional on it. I manage pages, I grow pages also, and for people that are needed page, I sell pages. Okay, so I'm a professional on it, so I try to bring my knowledge closer to you so that it can make it easier for you to grow your channel and your Facebook page. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm here for you. Okay, to give you services that you needed. So I thank you very much for always sticking around here. Please, if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate. And don't forget to check out other of my video down there. Just feel at home, Check it out. I love you. Thank you for coming. Thank you.